So here we have the freezer and refrigerator that run on propane or electric. So up here you can see we've got here buttons that are on and off. So if you were to turn it on, that turns it on. And then auto, it will choose between gas or electric depending. If you have it plugged into electric, it will default to that, and if you don't, then it defaults to gas. Or you can push this button to make it go to gas. And just to give you an idea, it's about 3/4 the size of a regular fridge. The freezer is not self-defrosting, so you have to keep that in mind. And so if you've had RVs before, it's your standard fridge. For those that don't know, this is how you adjust the temperature here. So as you can see, colder is higher. And that's basically it for the fridge. And then here we have a pantry. So you can put your spices in here. We've got some cups and bowls in here and oil. And these pull out, which is nice and handy. You can actually pull them all the way out if you wanted to. Just clean them. Oh, and then up here we have the air conditioning intake vent. So there's actually a filter on here. It's a washable filter. So all you have to do is unscrew the 4 screws and then take the filter out. And what I'd like to do is I vacuum it first to get most of the dirt off, and then I can spray it down with water and set it outside in the sun. And then once it's dry, then put it back in. And then also, let me back up here to show you where the AC comes out. There's a little thing here where you can close it off, or for some reason, like say you're cooking and it bothers you that it's blowing right on you, you can close it if you wanted to, or you can slide it like halfway open or whatever to adjust it to your